Hello Internet, my name is Ayla Tesler-Mabe. Today, I'm gonna do a challenge, and I actually have no idea how this video is gonna turn out. The Guitareo team picked out a mystery song for me that I've never played before. And it's very possibly a song that I've never even heard before. All I know is it's a song that doesn't actually have any guitar in it, and I'm gonna have to learn it, figure out how to interpret it on the guitar, and perform it for you all on the spot. So let's just hope I don't embarrass myself on camera. Let's hear the song. Ooh, nice drum machine. Oh, new Taylor record. Classic chord progression. I really like the production on this record. Jack Antonoff always kills it. Though I know they had some other collaborators on this record too, which is cool. So far, the chords are just being carried by that sort of oscillating synth back there. One day I'll watch as you're leaving, 'cause you got tired of my scheming. It's me. Hi, I'm the problem, it's me. At tea time, everybody agrees. I'll stare directly at the sun, but never. Oh, same chords the whole time. Must be exhausting, always rooting for the anti-hero. Oops. Oh cool, there's that little synth melody. Sometimes I feel like everybody is a sexy baby, and I'm a monster on the hill. What a great line. Too big to hang out, slowly lurching toward your favorite city. Pierced through the heart, but never killed. Why do I keep making that minor? Did you hear my covert narcissism, like disguises altruism, like some kind of consciousness? I wake up screaming from dreaming. One day I'll watch as you're leaving. All right. So far, it's still just that oscillating synth carrying the chords and percussion. There's a hi-hat now in the chorus, which is just sort of like elevating the energy. But we still got the same drum machine going on. Some really nice delay on the snare. Good. I really like that kick pattern. Okay, so we have that synth melody coming back. I'm gonna guess it's extended here. No, it's not, just one time through. Love that line. Yeah, so now we've got the stripped down verse after chorus 2. Still similar production. Oh, it sounds like there's an acoustic guitar in the back now. Hi, I'm the problem, it's me. All right, then we have this cool, crunchy synth, just sort of playing the root notes.
Hi. Everybody agrees, everybody agrees.
Well, I like how she dragged out the S there. Agrees. I like the call and response vocals. Yeah, I love that hi-hat sound that comes in the chorus. So we got that little like Celeste melody that ends the song. Yeah, awesome. So obviously I have heard this song before because I did listen to this record when it came out. But yeah, obviously never tried playing it. The drum machine really carries this song. Obviously, this is a guitar, not a drum machine. So I think what I would do, you know, instead of just simply playing the chords, I might emphasize making them more rhythmic to sort of fill that space, especially if I'm just playing it as one guitar player. How would Nile Rodgers play it? I think what you could do is really pay attention to the energy and how much space you're filling or not. Because the verses are a little more sparse, and the choruses, obviously, the energy comes up a little more. So maybe I could play the verse rhythmically like this. But then the chorus could be sounds like there's a little synth like leading from the breakdown into the last chorus. Maybe playing the role of like, if anyone remembers from like 2012 to 2014. I mean, I feel like this is still a thing, but you know, leading into the chorus, there'd be that snare. Oh, right, okay, so the drum machine. Okay, so that could be a way to start it, you know, sort of emulating the drum machine. Obviously, all the best drummers have an amazing sense of dynamics and, you know, accenting the right parts of the groove to really make it feel right to the listener. So instead of simply playing, which like technically is the right rhythm, you can sort of emphasize like the parts of the drum machine that would come out more, you know, where the snare hits, where the kicks are. Like, I think I was hearing a sort of kick pattern like that, so you could emphasize that part of the groove as well. All right, so chord progression. I do believe we're in the key of E major. And what? You don't want me to say it like that? I do believe we're in the key of E major. I do. All right, so the chord progression, 4-1-5-6, very classic pop progression. We've got A major, E major, B major, and then C sharp minor. That's it. So if I were to play over this song and maybe embellish things a little bit, I would do what Jimi Hendrix did and always just play the appropriate pentatonic scale for each chord. So over A major, you can outline major pentatonic. You can add those sorts of little fills in there, like little R&B type fills. And then you follow each chord, like I said, with its appropriate pentatonic scale. Yeah, maybe I'll just try playing along to the song and see how it goes. After I tune my guitar, of course. So grab your popcorn and let's let the show begin. Knowing how to do this on the guitar is very challenging. So let us help you with taking all the right steps so you can play all your favorite songs on the guitar. We have tons of lessons to help you with playing chords, soloing, and technique to make you the best guitarist you can be. Let's see how this performance goes.